Say Java for Selenium Part 4, Java operators and conditional statements. See, in this session, we are going to discuss two topics. One is Java operators. Java operators. Another is Java conditional statements. Java conditional statements. See, conditional statements and loop statements come under Java flow control. See, today we will discuss Java conditional statements. In the next class, Java loop statements. Okay, first I am taking Java operators. Java operators. See, operators. What are operators? Operators are used to perform mathematical comparison and logical operations. See, operators are used to perform mathematical comparison and logical operations. Say Java has a rich set of operators. Our test automation point of view, 4 categories of operators important. You concentrate on these 4 categories. What are the important categories of operators? See, important categories of operators. Say first one, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Next, relational operators. Next, assignment operators. Next, logical operators. Say first arithmetic operators. See, why arithmetic first? Arithmetic operators return value based result. Logic, for example, relational operators, or you can say comparison operators, return Boolean result, logical result, true or false. Now tell me, Dilpreet, what are the important mathematical operations? General topic, not only in Java. What are the important mathematical operations or arithmetic operations?
Addition, subtraction,
Just a minute.
multiplication.
Mathematical operations. What are the important operations? Addition. Subtraction.
Multiplication. Division. And some modulus operator.
Yes, modulus. It returns modulus means returning reminder. Okay, next.
So that's it, I suppose.
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Any other general operations? Okay. Suppose 10 to the power of 3 equal to 1000. What is the to the power of?
Exponential.
Exponentation. Next, here division, okay. One more also there. Integer division. It returns only integer point result. Okay. You check the Java arithmetic operators. Java arithmetic operators. See, first we discussed general operations, mathematical operations. Addition is there. Addition. It has two different purposes. One is addition, that is primary purpose. One more also there. String concatenation. String concatenation. Next, subtraction. Subtraction. Just a minute. Addition symbol. This one. Plus operator. Subtraction minus. It has two. It is also having two different purposes. Can you tell me, Mamata? One is subtraction. Another is suppose 10 minus 3. Subtraction. Suppose minus 100. Negation. We use subtraction operator for negative values, na?
Yes, sir.
Negation. Next, division, multiplication. Multiplication. Asterisk symbol. It only multiplies. Next, division. Forward slash. Next, modulus. Modulus. Percentage symbol. It returns a remainder. Next, increment. Plus plus. Next, decrement. Minus minus. Observe Virat, no operator available for exponentation. Mamata, can you remember UFT? In VB script, exponentation operator is there, na? Cap symbol.
Yes, sir.
In VB script, we have exponentation operator and integer division operator also. In VB script, forward slash for division, next backward slash for integer division. Here, no integer division operator. Okay, forget about integer division, that we can overcome. But what about exponentation? No operator available. Okay, no problem. Using math class, built-in class, we can perform exponentation operation. That I will show. Okay. Okay, now Ismail, I'm going to show the example. Observe. Say, declare variables. Suppose int a equal to 10. Next, b equal to 5 semicolon. Next, string. string C equal to Selenium, comma D equal to testing. Next, use plus operator as addition operator. Next, concatenation operator. Say, addition, message optional. Addition of A comma B is addition of A comma B is plus A plus B. A plus B. Observe Virat. See in this ninth line, I used plus operator two times. First one for what is the first plus left to right. First plus operator functionality or purpose.
It's addition, sir.
Addition. Ritesh.
Sir, it's a string concatenation.
Concatenation. Concatenation.
Yeah.
Next, second operator, addition. See, output is addition of A comma B is 15. Run the program. Observe Virat. Addition of A comma B is 15. Next, you concatenate C and D. Just C plus D. Concatenation. It will show Selenium testing. Selenium, no space. If you want space, here you can leave the space. Selenium testing. Run the program. Say Selenium testing. Next, subtraction. SYSO control space, enter. A minus B. It will show 5. Next, if you want to negative sign, just a minute. D equal to minus 100. D. Error. Oh, D duplicate na.
Sir,
D E. No duplicate variables. E. Run the program. See minus 100. Observe Supriya. E equal to minus 100. Here we used minus operator for
minus.
negation. Okay na?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Next, multiplication. Multiplication. Suppose A hashtag B.
B.
It will show
10,
50.
50.
Next, division.
Division. System.out.println A hash B.
A. B. A by B.
B.
What is the output?
2.
2. Just a minute. Just 2 na. Okay, just a
Yes,
minute.
sir.
B3. B3. Here 10 minus 3 7. 30. Now A by B
3.
3. Both are integers.
Yes.
Just a minute. Suppose 10.0, you take decimal value 0, just 3. What is the output? 3.3333 something. Next, just run the code. See, this is integer division. If you use decimal value 0, just 0, it is providing exact value. Next, modulus, Virat. Observe Virat. Modulus means it returns remainder. Remainder. A modulus B. A value 10, B value 3. What is A modulus B? Remainder. What is the remainder?
1.
1. Getting just a minute, Suleiman. Virat, did you understand this modulus operator? It returns
No, sir.
remainder. Suppose 10 mod 4. 4 into 2, 8. What is the remainder? 2 na?
Oh, okay, makes sense.
Next, suppose 10 mod 5. What is the remainder? You are thinking 10 mod 5.
Zero.
0. 0 is the remainder. That is remainder. Okay na? Here 10
Yep,
mod
makes
3.
sense.
3 into 3, 9. Remainder
1.
is 1. Next, increment. Suppose B equal to 10. I'm changing the values. Observe Madhavi, B equal to one person not available. Who is that person? Ritesh Saloni. Madhavi available. Okay, Madhumati not available. Okay, B equal to 10. A equal to plus B. A. What is the output? Last statement output, Madhavi.
12, sir.
12. Here plus. First plus means addition. Second plus means 1.
Okay. It's
Where are you thinking? We are adding 1.
11.
11. Just a
But
minute.
when we are saying plus B, is that only one it's going to add, sir?
Pardon?
When we are saying plus B, we are considering the other plus as a concatenation there. No, right?
No. This is fixed syntax.
Okay, sir.
Minus. What is the output, Dilpreet?
9,
9. Run the program.
11.
See 9, last output, last but one 11. Next remainder 1. Division, integer division, multiplication, negation. 7, this is subtraction, string concatenation. First one, addition. Next, modulus, not modulus, exponentation. See here we have to take double double. Suppose x equal to, observe Virat, math. This math class is built-in class. Math dot POW, power of two values. Suppose 10, 4. What is the output, Virat? 10 to the power of 4. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1000, 1000 into 10, 10,000, isn't it?
Yep, that's true.
It returns 10,000.0. Oh, just a minute. Display. X. Run the program. Last output 10,000. Observe Dilpreet. Suppose if you try to use int, it will show error. Only double. Fixed syntax. This is exponentation. See, in the above program, we used only integers. You can use floating point values also. Floating point values also. Observe Suleiman, yesterday float problem na. See, we have to write like this. Float y equal to 1.2 f. For double, not no symbol required. Suppose double z equal to 1.345678. Suppose two float values. Y, suppose p equal to 2.34 f. Next,
Okay.
SYSO control enter, control space enter, y plus p. What is the output? What is the output, Mamata?
3.54. 3.54.
3.54. Just a minute. PQ equal to some large decimal value. SYSO control space enter, Z plus Q. Z plus Q. Run the program. Observe the last output. Last but one. Okay na? Ritesh. Arithmetic operators. We covered maximum operations na, mathematical operations na.
Yes, sir. Sir, you put the 1.2 f and p is equal to 2.34 f. So is it okay if we don't put f at the end, right?
Yes. Why it is showing error? Just a minute. Semicolon. Oh. F. Suppose you enter capital F. It is also okay.
Okay.
This is float casting. Executing na?
Yes, sir. So we have to put the f at the end every time when we declare float.
Float.
Is it or
See, observe, it is showing error na?
okay.
Data type float is correct. But if you try to enter value, it is showing error. If you enter F, it is not showing. See, usually forget about float. See, in our test automation, I am also using only double in my project. See, most of the time we use double if it is decimal point value, small value or large value. Only difference is memory. Double occupies more memory than float. If it is performance point of view, for small values float preferable, but nowadays high configured systems you can use double for small value or large value. Say in our test automation we focus on we use integer, double character char, next boolean and string. These 5 only important. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Wait, copy this one. Just a minute. Example. Next, see, first one we covered arithmetic operators. Next, relational operators. What is the another name of relational operators, Dilpreet?
Conditional operators.
Another name for relational operators. Mamata.
Comparison.
Comparison operators. Say, here we have 6 operators. One is equal to, double equal to. See, in VB script, single equal to, here double equal to. Next, observe Saloni. Single equal to also there. If you use single equal to, what is the purpose of single equal to?
It means equal.
Assignment.
Yes, sir.
Assignment. Double equal to, comparison or relation. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
See, double equal to. This is equal to. Next, not equal to. Exclamatory equal to. Just a minute. Next, greater than. Next, greater than or equal to. Next, less than. Less than or equal to. See, these are the relational operators. And one more thing, relational operators return Boolean result. Note, relational operators return Boolean result. What is Boolean result, Supriya? What is Boolean result? Boolean means
True or false?
logical result. Logical result. True or false. Anyhow, two-way comparison. If it is three-way comparison, we have to use built-in methods that we will discuss in built-in methods chapter. Now you restrict to two-way comparison only. Observe, Mamata, in VB script also comparison operators are there. They support two-way comparison only. If you want to conduct three-way comparison, for that built-in function is there in VB script. What is that built-in function in VB script?
No idea, sir.
strcomp, string comparison, strcomp. Okay. Observe, Dilpreet, arithmetic operators return what type of result?
Sir, either integer or float.
Okay, that is value based result.
Value. Yes, sir.
Arithmetic operators return value based result. Relational operators return
Logical.
logical
Boolean.
result.
Boolean.
Or
Boolean
you can
result.
say Boolean result. Okay, I'll show you example. Example. Suppose int a B, A equal to 10, B equal to 20. Next, SYSO control space enter A equal to B. Virat, A equal to B. What is the output?
It's a false, sir.
False. Why? A10, B20 different. So false. Next, just a minute. A not equal to B. Semicolon. True. Put mute. Next, A greater than B. Supriya, A greater than B.
False.
False. Yes. Next, A greater than or equal to B.
It is also false.
It is also false. Next, A less than B.
True.
True. Next, A less than or equal to B.
It is also true.
It is also true. Say false, true, false, false, true, true. 6 outputs. Say false, true, false, false, true, true. Okay, na Dilpreet, any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, assignment operators. Assignment. Assignment operators. These operators also limited use in test automation. Most of the time we use arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. Logical operators important. Say assignment operators. See first one, just assignment. Assignment. What is the symbol for assignment, Virat?
Equal to sign, sir.
Just equal to, single equal to. Next, add and assign. Add and assign. Plus equal to. Next, subtract and assign. Minus equal to. Next, multiply and assign. Asterisk equal to. See, these are the important assignment operators. Example. Say, int A equal to some 10. Int A equal to 10. Next, print SYSO control space enter A. It will show 10. Next, A plus A plus 10. Observe Madhavi. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
A plus equal to 10. A plus equal to 10. Now what is the latest value of A?
11.
Pardon?
11, sir.
11. What is A value? 10.
A is 10.
A 10.
Mm-hmm.
We are adding 10. 10 plus 10.
Oh, 20. Okay.
Like this. Suppose A minus 10. A minus equal to 10. Saloni, what is the A latest value of A?
0.
0. See, initial value of A 10. After that we added 10. 10 plus 10, 20.
20 minus 4. Yeah. Yes, sir. Got it. 10.
10. Now 10. Next, A multiply equal to 10. Virat, what is the latest value of A?
100.
100. Sorry. A 100. Run the program. See 10, 20, 10, 100. 10, 20, 10, 100. Okay, na Ritesh?
Got it, sir.
Next, one more category, important one. Arithmetic, high priority. Logical operators. Logical operators. See, we see three important logical operators. Three important logical operators for our test automation. One is logical not operator. Logical not operator. This is the symbol. What is this symbol? Suleiman? Symbol.
The not operator? Yeah.
Dilpreet, what is this symbol?
The logical not
Symbol name.
exclamation.
Exclamation.
Okay. Next, logical and operator. Logical and operator. Double ampersand. Next, logical or operator. See this pipe symbol. See, these are the important logical operators. Before discussing the example, I will provide result criteria. Result criteria. See, a result criteria for not operator. Not operator. Logical not. Result criteria for logical not operator. See, operand 1, or you can say expression 1. Suppose A greater than B, that is operand 1, or A plus B, that is operand 1. Operand 2. Next, result. Operand 1, operand 2, next result. Suppose operand 1 true, 2 also true. What is the output, Saloni? Operand 1 true, second operand also true. What is the output?
It's true.
No. Negative na. You tell me, Dilpreet, operand 1 true, operand 2 also true.
False.
It's false. I'll show example. Next, Ritesh, true, false.
So false.
True. Either this or that. Next, false, true. True. Next, false, false. This is also true. I'll show example. Next, result criteria for not operator. Not. If both are true, then true. Otherwise, false only. Logical and operator. Tell me, Supriya, true, true, and. Suppose A greater than B and A greater than C. If both are true, then what is the output? True or false?
True.
True. Next, true, false.
True, false. False.
False. And na. If both expressions are operands true, then true. Otherwise,
Then only
false.
true. Otherwise, everything false.
Everything
Last
false.
3 cases. Yes.
And operator. False. This one also false. Next, tell me, Madhavi, logical or operator. Or. Here exemption is
First one is true.
if both are true, okay, true only. First one true, second one false.
False.
True only. Either this or that. Anyone na. Try to understand
Then
the R
why
operation.
can be false?
No. Second one true, false. What is the output? Suppose
False.
if A greater than B or A greater than C, exemption is there na. If any one true, then true na.
Okay.
Any one true, then true, isn't it? If it is and,
Okay. Yes.
both should be true. If it is or, exemption is there. If both are true, okay, good. If first expression true, enough. Or second expression false, okay, forget about this. True only. Next, false, true, true only. Next, last one, false,
Yeah.
false.
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 False. Do you understand this one, Ritesh? R operator, logical R. If both
Yes,
are
sir.
true,
Got it.
true. If any one true, true. If both are false, false. See, example. See. Say I will provide 2-3 examples. Concentrate. Concentrate. See, first, I will provide one generic example. Then we will use values also. See, Boolean A equal to true, comma, B equal to false. Boolean A equal to true, B equal to false. Not negation of A and B. Negation. Observe Suleiman, is it true or false? A and B. First of all, tell
Yes.
me A and B true or false? You tell me, Mamata, A and B true or false?
False.
False. False na? Why
Yes, sir.
A
False.
value true, B value false, operation is and. So false. Next we are adding negation.
Yes.
Negative false means
True.
true. Opposite to false. Next, Saloni. Just A and B. A and B true or false? Supriya. A and B.
False.
False.
True and false means
Yes, false. It is AND operator. If both are true, then true. Next, A or B. Pipe symbol A or B. Supriya.
True.
True. True. See, try to understand the result criteria. See, true, false, true. True, false, true. Next, I will show one more example. Example 2. This time we will use values. Values. Suppose, just a minute. Int A equal to 100. Int A equal to 100, comma, B equal to 500, comma, C equal to 700. C equal to 700. Just a minute. Suppose A 1000, B 5700. I'm writing condition. Don't focus on the condition. We will discuss condition after operators. If A greater than B, this is one operand, and one more condition, or operand or expression, A greater than C. See, SYSO control space enter. A is a big number. A is a big number. Else A is not a big number. We cannot say B is big number or C is big number. Here three values na. That's why A is not a big number. We are focusing on A only. A is not a big number. Okay. Observe Dilpreet, first expression as per that values, A greater than B. Is it Correct or not?
Sir, it will be true. True, sir. Correct.
A greater than B.
False, sir.
False. Next, A greater than C.
True.
True. See, first expression or operand or condition. First condition false. Second condition true. Next, here operation is and.
False.
False
And
na.
true.
False means it will execute else part na.
Yes, sir.
Run the program. A is not a big number. Next, observe. A 10,000, B 5,000, C 700. A greater than B. First condition true. Next, A greater than C. Second condition also true. Next, operation and. True na. It will show
Yes,
A is a big number. A is a big number. Next, A just 100. Observe. A greater than B, false. A greater than C, also false. Then what is the output, Saloni? Output.
A is not a big number.
A is not a big number. A is not a big number. Suppose A 10,000. First condition true, second condition true. A is a big number. A is a big number. See. Ritesh, did you understand this example?
Yes, sir.
Suppose same you can apply for OR operator. Pipe symbol. Observe Supriya. Now first condition is true as per that values. Second condition also true. Then what is the output?
A is a big number.
A is a big number. Next, suppose first condition A 1,000. First condition false, second condition true. What is the output? This time also A is a big number.
True.
A is
Yes,
a big
sir.
number.
A is a
Next, suppose A 10,000, B 5,000, C 70,000. See, first expression true, second expression
True, second
false. This time also A is a big number.
Yes, true.
Next, suppose if both are false, suppose A 10,000, B 50,000, C 70,000. This time A is not a big number. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Logical logical OR operator. Logical OR operator. Next, come to this one. Just a minute. I will show one. Just same example. If not explanatory. If not, now what is the output? Just a minute. If you use and, what is the output, Dilpreet? Actually, what is A greater than B? Suppose avoid this one. 100, 50, 70. What is the first expression or operand or condition? A greater than B. Is it true or false?
It's true, but
True.
not will make it false.
True. Okay, true. Next, A greater than C.
It's true.
True. But here negation not operator A not A greater than B. Then what is the output?
False.
False.
False. False means it will execute else part. A is not a big number.
Sir, I have a question.
Ah,
For that negation, it is just only applies to a greater than b, or it's applied to like all our results.
only this one.
Only the first one, right?
Only
A greater
first
than
one.
b. Okay.
First
Thank
one.
you.
Welcome. See, these are the important Java operators for our test automation. Next, come to Java flow control. See, Java control flow or flow control. Java control flow. See, we have two types of flow control statements in Java. What are these, Madhumati? Two types of flow control. What are they? Madhumati, are you there? Respond.
Yes, sir.
We have two
Yes,
types
sir.
of flow control. You take any programming language, you can find minimum two types of flow control. What are they?
I don't remember.
Conditional.
Oh.
Conditional statements. Next, loop statements. Conditional statements. Next, loop statements. And one more thing, we can use loops within conditions and vice versa. Observe this point, Virat. We can use conditional statements individually, loop statements individually, and you can mix. Within conditions, you can write loops. Within loops, you can write conditions. Getting this point?
Yep, makes sense.
See, first I am taking conditional statements. Java conditional statements. Java conditional statements. Say, first, usage of conditional statements in test automation. Usage of conditional statements. Conditional statements in test automation. See, first one, to insert verification points. Forget about general purpose of conditional statements. Our usage is test automation. Test automation point of view, what are the purposes? First one, to insert verification points. Next, error handling. See, in Selenium WebDriver module, I will show where we use conditional statements for verification points and error handling. So you just remember usage of conditional statements to insert verification points and for error handling. Next, we have two types of conditional statements, not two types of conditions. Two types of conditional statements in Java. See, two types of conditional statements. In Java. One is if statement. Another is Ritesh. Another is
Two types of conditional statements.
pardon?
If statement and
Don't say else if or nested if. All they are flavors of if statement only. You remember a Java program example that we discussed, I think 2 days back. Java program example. In that Java program example, I used 2 types of conditional statements and 4 types of loop statements and all flavors of methods also.
Yes, sir.
Somebody trying to.
Switch
Yes.
statement.
Switch statement.
True.
Switch statement. Say in VB script, 2 types only, if statement and select case statement. Select case. In C language, if statement, switch case. Okay, 2 types of statements. If statement, switch statement. Next, general point, types of conditions. Types of conditions. Types of conditions. Say we have 3 types of conditions. 3 types of conditions. First one, single condition. Single condition. Next, compound condition or multi condition. Compound condition. Next, nested condition. Nested condition. See, in these 3 conditions, you can find positive and negative conditions. See, positive condition, say you can use either positive condition or negative condition based on your requirement, based on your convenience. You can use them, positive and negative. Positive and negative conditions. Say first, observe Dilpreet, example for positive condition. Positive condition. Single condition, positive condition. If, open parenthesis, A greater than B, open curly braces, close curly braces. If A greater than B. This is positive condition. Next, negative condition. Negative condition. Now tell me, Dilpreet, negative condition for same functionality. I want to check A greater than B only. First time I wrote positive condition without disturbing the meaning. Use negative condition.
If not A greater than B bracket.
If,
Exclamation mark.
just a minute.
Not operator.
If not,
A greater than B.
if not A greater than B, then meaning vary na? Meaning varies.
A less than B.
A less than B. A less than B. Any confusion, Dilpreet?
No, sir.
See, without disturbing the meaning, first my intention is checking
A should be greater
A
than
greater than B. See,
Yes,
for
sir.
that you can write negative condition like this.
Right.
Not A less than B. It is equivalent to A greater than B.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. This is single condition, positive and negative. Next, compound condition. Say using and or operators, we can form compound conditions. Here also you can use negative conditions and positive conditions. Just I will write positive conditions. You can use negative conditions also. For single condition, I explained positive and negative. Okay, compound condition. If open parenthesis, one more, A greater than B, if A greater than B and if A greater than C, open curly braces, close curly braces. Next, or, this is compound condition. Next, using or operator also you can form compound condition. See pipe symbol. Observe this pipe symbol. This or is Java operator. This or is English word. See, next, observe Ritesh. Not only two operands, you can use n number of operands. Suppose, just a minute. Suppose A greater than B and A greater than D, like this. Observe Ritesh. A greater than B, A greater than C, A greater than D. Three operands na?
Yes.
See, this is compound condition. See, in the example you can get more clarity. Compound condition. Next, nested condition. Nested condition. In compound conditions also you can use positive and negative. Nested also same. Nested condition. If A greater than B, next, if, again if, A greater than C, next, if you can write n number of conditions. A greater than D, next, three curly braces. We opened three ifs. Observe Mamata, if it is VB script, we use end if na?
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes,
no
sir.
end if, just open curly braces, close curly braces. But in VB script,
Yes.
if, condition, statements, else, statements, end if. Here no end if. Okay, these are the three different types of condition. Tell me, Virat, types of conditions in computer programming, not only in Java. This is general topic. General. Types of conditions in computer programming. Virat. Supriya.
Yes, sir.
Three types we discussed. Now, what are they? Just headlines.
Single condition, positive or negative, compound condition,
Positive or negative.
and nested condition.
Nested condition. Okay, now Dilpreet. Shall we move to next point?
Yes, sir.
See, so far we discussed 3 points. One is usage of conditional statements in test automation. Next, types of conditional statements in Java. Next, types of conditions. Okay. Next, practical topic. Usage of conditional statements. Usage of conditional statements. Conditional statements. Observe first usage. Execute a block of statements. Block of statements not mandatory. You can execute single statement also. Execute a block of statements when condition is true. Execute a block of statements when condition is true. This is one-way condition. Suppose Suleiman, when condition is false, observe Venkat.
Yeah.
When
Yeah.
if condition is false, then
If the condition is false,
if condition is false, then
you execute with else part.
pardon?
If the condition is false,
Suppose
it will
execute a block of statements when condition is true. If condition is false, don't do anything, nothing. This is one-way condition.
Okay, yeah.
Observe.
Yeah.
One-way condition. Syntax. See syntax example. If condition, just a minute. If condition, open curly braces, next statements, next close curly braces. See example. Observe Saloni. Suppose A, B. A 100, B 50. If A greater than B, then do something. Suppose A is a big number. Okay. Now observe Saloni. This condition is true or false?
True.
True. Then what is the output?
A is a big number.
Run the program. It is showing correct output. A is a big number. Next, suppose A 10, B 50. Continue Saloni. What is the output?
Output will be nothing.
Nothing. Why? Condition false. So it will bypass the condition. No else part. It will bypass the condition. Nothing. Suppose A bigger, then it will show A is a big number. Just a minute. This is positive condition. See. positive condition. Dilpreet, without disturbing the meaning, write negative condition for this scenario.
So if not equal to A less than B.
Good. Just a minute. Negative condition. If one more parenthesis, exclamatory, A less than B. What is the output? It has to show A is a big number. Why? A 100, B 50. A is a big number. Suppose A 10, B 50. See output? Nothing. It is one-way condition. Nothing. Okay na Madhumati? Positive and negative conditions.
Yes, sir. I got it.
See, this is first usage. Execute a block of statements when condition is true. When condition is false, don't do anything. Next, second usage. Execute a block of statements when condition is just a minute before else part, compound condition. Execute a block of statements when a compound condition is true. Execute a block of statements when a compound condition is true. This is also one-way condition. Syntax. If condition or operand 1, condition 1. Next, here you can use either and or based on your requirement. Next, another condition. Condition 2, open curly braces, statements, close curly braces. Example. Suppose A comma B comma C. C equal to some 40. A 100, B 50, C 40. Suppose if A greater than B and A greater than C, then A is a big number. Here observe, first condition true, second condition true. What is the output? A is a big number. Why?
So first condition
A
is
is
false.
less than B. You read.
Oh, earlier
No, so A is
that
less
one
than
we
B.
didn't change. A greater than B. A greater than B, A greater than C. It has to show A is a big number. Run. A is a big number. Suppose any one condition is false. In this scenario, first condition true, second condition false. So total compound condition false. Entire compound condition will be false. So it won't execute anything. Nothing. Why? Here no else part. Nothing. This is compound condition or multi condition. Next, third usage. execute a block of statements when condition is true, otherwise execute another block of statements. Here executing any one block of statements is mandatory. See, execute a block of statements true when condition is true. When condition is true, otherwise execute another block of statements, another block of statements. Enough. Syntax. Virat, can you tell me the syntax for single condition in this usage? Guess the syntax.
If condition
If
statement.
condition, single condition enough, open curly braces. Yep. Next. Statements.
Close curly braces.
Close curly braces.
Then else.
Else.
Open curly braces.
Again open curly braces.
Statement and then close curly
Good.
braces.
Statements. Next, close curly braces. Example. All of you put mute. Suppose AB A greater than B. Suppose if A greater than B, do something, say, print A is a big number, else you can open curly braces in the same line or another line, no issue. See, suppose B is a big number. B is a big number. Observe, Madhavi, condition is true or false? A value 100, B value 50. Is it true or false?
It's true, sir.
True. What is the output?
A is a big number.
Run the program. A is a big number. Put mute, Madhavi. Some echo coming from your side. This time A 100, B 500. Condition false. Then it will execute else part. B is a big number. B is a big number. Observe Ritesh. I think 2 days back we discussed this one. A 100, B 100. Then what is the output?
Nothing, sir.
No. Here it has to execute any one block of this structure. Either first part or else part. Execution is mandatory. A 100,
Sorry,
B
sir.
100.
The else part will be executed.
Else part. B is a big number. Actually, B is not a big number. Why it is executing? See, forget about B. If B is big number or not. First, it checks the condition. Condition is true, then it will execute first part. If condition is false, blindly it executes else part.
Second part, yes.
Blindly. Suppose else part, forget about that else part is correct or not. It will execute else part blindly. Okay. This is if else. Madhumati, are you following? Ritesh?
Yes, sir. I'm following you.
Okay. Next, decide among several alternates. In this third structure, we used two alternates, true part, else part or false part. Next, suppose if we have several alternates, not two alternates, 3, 4 or 10 or n alternates. For that we have to use else if structure. See, fourth usage, decide among several alternates. Another name of the structure, else if structure. See, syntax. Observe, Suleiman, you have to guide me. For example, you observe the syntax and my requirement. I will explain requirement also. In development terminology, we use problem solution. But in our testing terminology, requirement. Okay. First, follow the syntax. If condition, you can write single condition or compound condition, no issue. Next, statements. Next, else if, again condition. For every else if, condition mandatory. Condition. Next, open curly braces. Just a minute. Open curly braces. Statements. Next, again else if. Again else if. Like this, you can write n number of alternates. Next, optional else part. Close curly braces. Just a minute. We have to close every part. Just a minute. Close every condition. Here, else. Else means other than above. If all conditions are false, then it will execute else part. This is optional. If you don't write else part, then it will check conditions only. If you write else part, if all conditions are false, then it will execute else part. This is the syntax. Observe, Suleiman. This is the syntax. What is the syntax? If condition statements, else if condition statements, else if condition statement, at the end else statements. Else means other than above. Next, observe. My problem is initialize an integer variable and verify the range. Initialize an integer variable and verify the range. Here observe the conditions. First condition, if the number is in between 1 and 100, then display number is a small number. This is main condition. Okay. Next condition. If number is in between 100 already covered na. 101 and 1000, then display number is a number is a medium number. Next, if the number is in between 1001 and 10,000, then display number is a big number. Next, if the number is more than, here observe Dilpreet, for first three conditions compound condition required na.
Yes, sir.
Observe
Yes, sir.
last one. If number is more than 10,000, then display value is high number. What about fourth condition? For fourth condition, single condition is enough na?
Yes,
Yes,
but the
sir.
amount should be 10,001, right?
Pardon?
For the last condition, the amount more than 10,001, then display
More than
number is high
10,001
number.
not required. More than 10,000 means it starts from 10,001 na.
Okay, because we 10,000
See, 10,000 only covered in this third condition. More than 10,000 means, what is the meaning of more than 10,000? 10,000 plus 10,001, isn't it?
Got it, sir.
Okay. Next, other than above. Otherwise, display number is either 0 or negative number. Suleiman, are you there? Suleiman struggling. You guide me, Supriya. Did you understand my requirement?
Yes, sir.
I'll write Java program for that. Just a minute. What is the first step? Initialize an integer. Suppose int a equal to some 1, 2. Next, next we have to verify the range of a variable. First condition. Tell me, Supriya, any problem?
No, I want to see the first line, sir.
You guide me, Mamata. First condition, if the number is in between 1 and 100, then display number is a small number. Compound condition required.
If A is greater than 1. If A is greater than 1.
See, somebody low voice. I'm getting low voice. Put mute, Supriya. Saloni, guide me. Saloni.
Yes,
Guide me,
sir.
Saloni.
If A greater than
observe the condition. If the number is
0.
in between 1 and 100, then display number is small number. What is Suleiman? 0.
0. and
compound condition, and
a less than
a less than
101.
101. Okay.
And sir,
Otherwise,
A
a
is
less than or equal to 100.
100.
100. Say, computer programming motto is more than one way to achieve any task. Select simplest way, but we have more than one way to achieve any task. Then display statement.
system.out.println.
Pardon?
Uh,
Supriya, your voice is very low. You try to increase the volume, otherwise put mute. Earlier your voice okay, but this time low voice. You continue, Suleiman.
A is a smaller number.
Okay. A is a small number or smaller number. Next,
E
else if A greater than
or equal
100. Just a minute. Here one more.
Greater than.
A greater than 100 means from 101, and
and
A less than or equal to
or equal
1000. Open curly braces. Next, A is a medium number.
yeah.
Just a minute. A is a medium number. Okay. Next, just a minute. You can copy this code. A greater than 1000, less than or equal to 10,000, big number. Next, single condition. Else if A greater than 10,000, A greater than 10,000. Just a minute. A greater than 10,000 is high number. Okay. Next, other than above, else else SYSO control space enter. A is either 0 or negative value. A is either 0 or negative value. Observe, Ritesh, suppose if it is white box testing, see generally developers conduct white box testing. In order to cover all conditions of this program, how many test cases required? How many times we need to execute this one? How many test cases required to cover this program? White box testing.
It's just one test case,
One test
like
case not
between.
enough. One test case not enough. Observe. First we need to check first condition na. First condition. Suppose input 50. This is one test case. input data 50. Second, suppose input 400. This time we will cover first condition false part and second condition true part. Next, first condition false part, second condition true part. Next, third one. What is that one? Suppose 4,000. This time we will cover third condition true part and fourth condition else. This time we will cover observe first input. Using first input, we cover first condition true part. Using second input, we will cover first condition false part and second condition true part. Next, using third input, third condition true part, second condition false part. Next, using fourth input, fourth condition true part, third condition false part. Next, last else one other than above. Okay, now how many required?
5.
5. Here also one small twist is there. Here it is considering else part considering 0 and negative. So one 0 output input required and one required. Total how many test cases?
Sir, can we cover under one test case but different test data? Like
that is automation.
Okay.
If it is manual testing, can you execute this program single time with different inputs?
No, it will be like
you need to execute 6 times only. So 6 test cases. If it is automation, you can conduct data-driven testing using positive and negative values and using different sets of inputs. Say program will execute only once. It will cover all inputs. That is repetitive execution. But in manual testing, no repetitive execution. You need to execute complete test case every time, isn't it?
Yeah, true, sir.
Say in manual testing, no data-driven testing concept. Okay. See, in order to reduce the input, we use test design techniques. That is different concept. Here, 6 manual test cases required. If it is automation,
it's only one.
Single test case is enough. You can write data-driven test case, isn't it? See, execute first one. Just a minute. Input data. First iteration. Second iteration. Next. Third iteration. Next. Fourth iteration. This is fifth iteration. Next, sixth iteration. Okay. Observe, Ritesh, actually in the health part we covered 0 and negative value, but usually here that formula is number of conditions plus 1 test cases. Here how many conditions? 4 conditions na? 4 plus 1
Yes,
test
sir.
cases. Usually 4 plus 1. Number of conditions plus 1 test cases required for covering all conditions in white box testing. Okay, you take first input. What is first input? 50. Then it will cover first condition, true part. A is a small number. Just a minute. 50. Okay, 12 also okay. 50. A is a small number. Next input 400. What is the expected output, Virat?
A is a medium number.
Medium number. Medium number. Okay. Next input 4000. 4000. A is a big number. A is a big number. Next input 11,000. Expected output high number.
A is the high number.
High number. Next A equal to 0. Expected output A is either 0 or negative value. Next minus 100. Same. A is either 0 or negative value. Okay now, Suleiman, we covered all paths of this program now, all paths of all conditions.
Yeah.
See nested if. Nested if. Any queries, Dilpreet? Understand this
No,
logic?
sir. Yes, sir. It's
Okay,
clear.
cool. Next usage. Execute a block of statements when more than one condition is true. Another name of this structure, nested if. See, execute a block of statements. Execute a block of statements when more than one condition is true. More than one condition is true. Here you can write else part also. Another name of the structure, nested if. Nested if. See, syntax. If, just a minute. If condition open curly braces, again if condition, next if, like this you can write n number of ifs, n number of conditions. Next statements. Close curly braces. Observe the example. Actually, this syntax, I will change the syntax. I will change the syntax. Okay. Check if the value of a variable is bigger than B, C, and D variables or not. This is my problem or requirement. Check if the value of a variable, actually variable name a, don't use double quotes, a variable, check if the value of a variable is bigger than b comma c comma d variable values or not. Write the program, take 4 variables, a suppose 100, b 50, c just a minute 70, d 90. If a greater than b, open curly braces, then again if a greater than c, open curly braces, again if a greater than d, open curly braces. Okay, then a is a big number. A is a big number. Observe Madhavi, first condition, is it true or false?
It's true, sir.
Second condition, also true. Third condition, also true.
It's true.
Then it will execute
Yes.
a is a big number.
Right.
A is a big number. Next, suppose I'm writing else part for this one. Else part. Else a is not a big number. A is not a big number. Say, observe Ritesh, you can solve this problem using compound condition also. But what is the difference between compound condition and nested condition? If it is nested condition, you can write multiple else parts. You can increase the clarity of the result. If it is compound condition, single else part only. Okay, that I will explain. First observe, all conditions are true. Then it will execute a is a big number. A is a big number. Suppose B 500. This time observe Ritesh. First condition false. Second condition true. Third condition also true. Suppose it has to show A is not a big number. Nothing showing.
Yeah, because the
You need
first
to
condition
use else part for first condition. First condition means last curly braces, closing curly brace. Else a is not a big number. Try to run this one. Nothing.
I think we got to down
Last at the end. At the end.
curly braces.
At the end. Okay. Last closing. Observe. Run the program. A is not a big number. Suppose first condition true, second condition false, BAC 700. Third condition again true. Nothing showing. Here you write one else part. Just a minute. Last but one. Now run. A is not a big number. Next, first condition true, second condition true, third condition, suppose D 900. First condition true, second condition true, last condition false. Run the program. A is not a big number. Observe just a minute. Just a minute. See, this is the complete program. Observe Supriya from 8th line to 23rd line.
Yes,
Okay, na?
sir.
Now check
Okay.
all possibilities. Suppose A 100. In this scenario, first condition is true, second
True.
condition is
Second
true,
condition.
third condition
Third
also
also
true.
true.
Then expected output is A is a big
A is
number.
the-
A is a big number. Next, first condition false. B 500. A is not a big number. A is not a big number. Suppose second condition false. This time also A is not a big number over other numbers. A is not a big number. Next, last condition false. First two conditions true. This time also A is not a big
A
number.
is not a big number.
Big number. Just a minute. This is using nested if. Dilpreet, you cover this program using compound condition. Using compound condition. Same. Using compound condition. Simple na?
Yes, sir.
If A greater than
B.
B and A greater than C and
A greater than D.
A greater than D. Then
Print A
A
is big number.
is a big number. Big number. Else A is not a big number. A is not a big number. Observe Virat is showing error here. Close parenthesis. See, in this scenario, D90. First condition true, second condition true, third condition also true. Expected output A is a big number. A is a big number. Next, first condition false. Second condition true, third condition true. A is not a big number. Next, first condition true, second condition false, third condition true. A is not a big number. A is not a big number. Next, first condition true, second condition true, third condition false. Expected output is not a big number. Okay. Now observe Dilpreet. Both are showing same output na, nested if
Yes, sir.
structure and compound condition. Then what is the advantage of nested if? Observe, in this scenario, we wrote same else parts. If you want to use different else parts, suppose A is not a big number, otherwise B is a big number. Suppose A is not a big number in this scenario, suppose C is a big number. If you want to write different else parts, then nested if structure is suitable. But if it is compound condition, we can write only
Two conditions.
single else part.
Else part.
Observe advantages. Advantage, just a minute. Advantage of nested condition. Nested condition or compound condition. Compound condition. In nested condition, we can write multiple else parts. We can write multiple else parts. In compound condition, single else part only. See, in this scenario, we used same else part, but sometimes we use different else parts. That time, nested condition is suitable. Next, last 2 minutes, this problem for Supriya. Supriya, I am enhancing this program. Here, we are checking just A is big number or not, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next, my problem is, observe my problem. Problem solution. Problem is get biggest number out of 4 numbers. Get biggest number. Get biggest number out of 4 numbers. Getting my requirement?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Earlier we checked A is big number or not. A is
Yes,
bigger
sir.
than B, bigger than C, and bigger
Bigger
than
than
D or not. We are not checked. We not checked that B is bigger over other numbers, C is bigger over other numbers, etc. Using compound condition, you can check easily. Compound condition and else if structure. Here hint, use, just a minute, use compound condition and compound conditions and else if structures. Provide the solution, Supriya. First you check A is bigger than other numbers or not. Next check B, next check C, next check D.
A is
First,
greater than B
A greater than B and
operator.
A
A is greater than C
greater than C Again
AND operator. A is greater than D.
Just a minute. A is greater than D. Open curly braces. Next, in this scenario, A is big number. A is a
Big number.
big number. Next, same way you can check
If
B. Here use else if.
else if
Else if, compound
B
condition and
is
else if. Just a minute.
B is greater than A
Here focus on B. B greater than A
and operator.
and operator.
B is greater than C
B greater than C. Again
and
and
operator.
uh,
B is greater than D.
D. Just a minute.
Then
D.
open curly
B,
braces.
B greater than
D.
D. Open curly
Then open
braces.
curly braces. Println B is big number.
Okay.
Next close curly braces.
B is a
Big number.
big number.
Close curly braces.
Again if condition. Just a minute.
Again
You can
else if.
You copy this else if. This time focus on C. C greater than
C.
A.
C greater than A. C greater than
C
B.
greater than B.
C greater than D.
C greater than D. Then C is a big number.
Println C is a big
Next,
number.
one more else
Same.
not required. Else if not
Yes,
required. Suppose if A not if A is not a big number, B is not a big number, C is not a big number, then D is only the big number, na?
Else system.out.println
Yes.
D is big
You
number.
can just write else. Otherwise, else if also you can write. You can write else if also, but else is enough.
But no need.
No need.
Yes, sir.
Next, just
Println system.out.println D is a big number.
D is a big number.
Then close braces.
Just D is a big number.
Big number.
Okay. Next, first observe the inputs. Observe the inputs. A 100, B 50, C 70, D 90. First condition
First
true.
statement.
First, A is a big number. It has to show A is a big number. Forget about condition.
Yes, sir.
As per my inputs, I want to get that A is a big number. A is a big number. Next,
Yes.
suppose
Next,
B 500.
B 500, 5000.
Now, okay, 500 enough. Now, A is not a big number first of all, but B is
First
big
else
number
statement.
over other numbers.
Yes.
B is a big number. Next, suppose A 700.
7000.
Okay, 700 enough.
700.
Now, A is not a
Second
big
else
number over other numbers. B is not a big number over other numbers. C is a big number.
Yes, sir.
C is a big number. Next, D 900.
Next, else part.
It will execute else part. D is a big number. Okay, now Virat, did you understand this program? Any confusion?
No, sir, clear. Thanks.
Okay. Say, we'll meet on Monday, same time. This conditional statements not completed. One more usage also there that indirectly introduced 2 days back script, that switch statement. Once again, I will introduce switch statement, a switch structure that is incomplete. Just I will mention that one. In the next class, I will provide syntax and example. Sixth usage, decide among several alternates using switch statement. See, actually, using else if also we can decide among several alternates. We can pick any one alternate. This is using just a minute. Using switch statement. It is alternate for else if structure. In order to reduce the complexity of else if structure, the switch structure launched. Okay, this we will discuss next class. Any queries? Dilpreet, any queries? I'm going to close the session. Dilpreet,
No, sir. It's clear. It's clear, sir.
Ritesh,
No, sir, but can you email some some
problems.
exercises that we can
Yes, I will provide assignments, problems. You try to provide solutions. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next, Madhumati, quick Madhumati, any queries regarding this today's class? Operators and
No,
conditional statements. Conditional
no, sir.
statements incomplete
No,
except the switch. Mamata.
no, sir. I'm good.
Okay,
Thank
cool.
you.
Madhumati. Mamata.
Yes, sir. Yes, I have a question, sir.
Tell me.
For integer, for integers in today's class, you mentioned 10.0. Is that float, right? I mean,
Yes.
we can use 0.0 for integer?
Point.
0. So in one program used in the addition, you so you used 10.0 in integer.
10.0.
Yeah. So we can use 0.0, 10.0 for integer, sir. So that was my doubt.
Just a minute. Program copied na. Just a minute. What you are telling? Suppose for
In the earlier, if integer 10.0, integer the variable name and equals to a equals to, for suppose example, a equals to 10.0.
where I used a equal to 10.0. It is incorrect syntax. Just a minute. You remove this one. It is incorrect. Only 10 we have to use. Only 10, not 10.0. 10.0 means float. Suppose it is equivalent to 10 only, but that is floating point value.
Okay, sir. Okay,
For
sir.
integer division,
maybe
integer division I used 10.0. Why it has to written
yes.
Boolean? It has to written what is that one? Double value. That's why I used. See directly. Just a minute. I directly used that value. Just a minute. I directly used. See 10.0 by 3. This is direct value. Here I didn't use any integer variable.
Okay, sir. Okay. I thought, okay.
Cool. Just a minute. For direct values, you no need to specify data types. But first data type is float only. Second data type is float or double. For second data type, integer type only.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I got it now.
Okay. Next, Mamata, Ritesh, Saloni.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Suleiman.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay. Supriya.
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Virat. Virat, respond. I'm going to close the session.
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. We'll meet on Monday, same time. Thank you.